Being an intelligent product of the real world, you may well know that the young silverbirds instinctually head to Thunder Bay, and they begin to look for mentors of the Silverbird Flying Academy. Today's story has a very young bird named Quicksilver, who goes to a flight coach for advice and some birdly wisdom. We take you now to Thunder Bay.
The flying season is upon us. It happens every year. Junior, my young fledgling, soon you too will grow a proud white beak, and you will lose all of your pin feathers. Then you will become the sky pilot of your own destiny. As the old saying goes, birds of a feather must flock together. Hey, Junior, what's with that helmet?
I know. Pathetic, right? My mother says that I have to wear a blue helmet for safety reasons. I have to wear this thing ever since Jay, my older brother, crashed into that window. Crazy, right?
It's okay, Junior. Your mother is part of the Helicopter Silverbird Parent Club. It may seem like she hovers over you too closely, but just remember, she loves you. She wants you to be a cadet and not have your brains scrambled. When you get old enough to be at the Flying Academy, your pin feathers will be gone. Your voice will have become deeper, and you will be able to take off your helmet and to fly like a turbocharged silver jet.
This is the end. Good night and best wishes.